Hey creative friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm down at the end of my craft room where I do all of my essential oils, and the reason I'm here is because I got my subscription box in and I wanted to do an opening for you because I think it's so much fun. So I've been getting this subscription for a long time, and when you subscribe you get a big box with all the containers that you need for like 6 months worth of recipes, and then each month you get a box with oils and recipes and cards and little things, and it's really cool. But I just got my one that you get after 6 months. In the 7th month you get a box too, because they just keep giving you the containers and the things that you need for the 6 months worth of recipes. So I'm going to set the camera up and I'm going to turn you around and I'm going to do this unboxing. Okay, here we are, and this is what the big bonus box looks like. And like I said, you'll get this if you subscribe, and you'll also get all the stuff, you know, you'll get everything that's in it. But then, just so that you know, if you subscribe, I'll put a link down at the bottom. But if you use that link when you subscribe, you will get $10 off your first 5 boxes. So that's basically like 50 bucks. That's not bad. So you'll get that. But let me just click in here and see what we got. Hang on. I'm going to open it up. We'll see what's in the big bonus box. I love it because I don't have to buy the containers that I need for recipes throughout the month. I do buy some because I make a lot more recipes than, you know, than they just give you. But got a little note here. I wonder what this note is. Let me just see. Ooh, this is exciting. See what I got. I don't know. Let's see. It says, oh, these are just handouts, I guess. Yeah. These are just things to make your home toxin free. Oh, this is what I can give out for people. So that's kind of neat, because what happens too is if somebody signs up, they get $10 off their first 5 boxes, but you get credit toward, I think, like half of a box, and eventually, you know, it's pretty cool. So here is the monthly box, and this would be for May. This is my May box, and I'll go into that in a second. But you can see here in this box, you have roll-on bottles, you have 5 ml bottles, there's some beeswax, there is, oh, that's my oil. I ordered an extra oil, and there's a regular coconut oil that you use in the recipes. This is the solid coconut oil. Oh, sealed. I was going to show you, but it's sealed, and I already have some open, so I don't need to open that. You get almond oil, and you get coconut oil. This is fractionated coconut oil, and what that is it means that it doesn't solidify like the stuff in this jar. It won't solidify at room temperature. So those are the containers that you would need to do 6 months worth of the recipes. And now I'll show you the boxes. Love it. Love them. So this is my May box, and this would be the normal box that you get each month. And what it comes with is, oh, you can scan a code here and get free recipe tutorials. They have a great website. They've got a YouTube channel. They have all the things. And so this month, ooh, what are we going to do? I don't think I swapped any out. No, I didn't. So the thing is, you can look at your kit, your monthly subscription kit, before it comes out. And then that way you can actually go in and you can substitute oils. Like if I have a whole bunch of orange, which I do, but that's fine. I use it in tons of things. I use it for cleaning stuff. I use it. Ooh, there's a really good blend that I use for in my car for the little car diffuser. It's so cool. Anyway, you get 4 full-size bottles. These are all 15 ml bottles. They're 100% pure essential oils. That tells you all about the oil on the back. It gives you like warnings of whether it's child safe, things like that. So 4 full-sized oils. This month, ooh, what are we making? What do we got? So they give you 6 recipes, and the recipes are on these little cards. And they actually give you little labels, and these are the little round stickies to put on the top of the bottle. So if you store them like in a drawer, you can look down and see what they are. There's always going to be like a roll-on. There's going to be the the little a roll-on, and then there will be an essential oil blend that you can use a diffuser. They give you all the labels, and these labels goes on those jars that they sent you, all the little containers they send you. So this month will be the Unwind Diffuser blend. And oh, I'll tell you about that. Debuff Ice Facial. Oh my gosh, I have used ice facials from them before. Amazing. Herbal Surface Cleaner. Ooh, that's new for me. And sometimes they'll have things like this. Will use some vinegar. 2-ounce spray bottle. You'll have to have your own spray bottle, vinegar, and distilled water, but most people have those things. You'll use orange, oregano, and tranquility oils. Ooh, let's be frank. This sounds nice. That's kind of cool. And then a rose sugar scrub soap and a rose quartz soap. That'll be fun. The reason I kept this out was because on the back of this one, it tells you what group they're doing. This tells you about how they fight. They donate 13% of their profits are donated to win the fight against human trafficking. And each month they will pick a different group, and usually they tell about it on the back of the card. Ooh, and they give you a sneak peek of next month. They tell you more about the oils that you got. And then here is another course, or another card. And this talks about, there's actually a course, an essential oils course, so that you can learn more about it. It's pretty cool. And there's rose clay. That's going to be used for the soap. Ooh, and there's a little soap mold. And they even gave you the melt and pour base. So I'm going to be able to make some rose quartz soap and a couple of other things. And I'm really excited about this herbal surface cleaner because I'm almost out of some cleaners. So that'll work perfect. And FYI, another project that I'm going to do, I've been working in my garden today, and I've got to finish it up tomorrow. I'll do a video on that. But I didn't have any bug spray, and I needed some bug spray because there were some little skeeters out there. This one I got Farewell Scars. It's a blend that they already have, and I wanted to try it because it looks like it's fabulous. So this will helps with cell regeneration, reducing inflammation, and skin healing. And I thought I would use that, even though I've already used my own essential oil on my scar on my cheek. See that? That's scar, and I want it to go away a little bit. So I'm working on that. So anyway, there's that. That's my Simply Earth monthly subscription box of amazing essential oils. And these, I don't sell them. People don't sell them. You just get them straight from Simply Earth in the monthly box. And like I said, I've been doing this for a long time, and it's amazing. And they've got a Facebook group, and there's Instagram, and even some Pinterest. Pinterest would have all kinds of recipes. And if you go to their YouTube channel, Simply Earth, there's all kinds of videos, and there's also each oil, and it tells you specifically all about the oil, how to use them, benefits, all those kinds of things. So there is my Simply Earth unboxing. I hope you liked it. And if you have any questions about it, let me know. And I will do a video of bug spray coming up because I need to do that. Okay, thanks for watching.